guys, so today we're going to be making a stuffed shell recipe. It's my own recipe. It's low fat. It does have ricotta, but we're also going to mix it in with low fat cottage cheese. I use a small curd. It mixes a little better with the ricotta. So the first thing we're going to do is brown our ground beef. Here we go. Next step, while we're browning our meat over here, we're going to go ahead and bring the shells to a boil. We have our parsley, and we're going to go ahead and coarsely chop it into the bowl. This is going to be for our filling. And now we have our tasting connoisseur over here. So Snoopy, would you like a sprig of parsley, sir? Alright, so in our bowl we have coarsely chopped parsley. And I know a lot of people like to get an extra bowl and mix their eggs, but I don't like extra dishes, so we're not going to do that. We're going to put them directly into this bowl here and mix everything up, because that's how it's going to end up anyway. Alright, I'm just going to throw my eggshells away.
No. Mama says put them in the garbage disposal. It cleans the blades.
Alright then, if Mama says it, must be true. Our eggs are mixed in with the parsley, the Italian parsley. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our small curd ricotta cheese. So now we have our cottage cheese into our mixture. We're going to add the ricotta. Alright, we're getting a nice uniform mixture. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. This is the pink Himalayan salt. Good stuff. Mama says don't add too much salt. Just kidding. It's sea salt, Mama. Good stuff. Add a little bit of black peppercorn. And a little bit more salt. Stir thoroughly. Looks like our meat is just about browned. Alright, our water is boiling. We're going to add our pasta to the pot. I'm going to add a little splash of olive oil to keep the noodles from sticking. Give it a nice stir. There we go. And while that's happening, I'm going to go ahead and start my pasta sauce. Alright, we're going to preheat our oven to 375. Like so. Next thing we're going to do is make our marinara sauce. You can use tomato sauce or tomato paste if you want to make it from scratch. Alright, add some water to it. We're going to work our paste into the water so it's a nice uniform mixture. Alright, working on smoothing out the sauce here. We're going to add a little basil. Oregano. Black pepper. And a little bit of Himalayan salt. Just going to let that sauce simmer a little bit so it will infuse all the flavors. And I'm going to add a little bit of fresh parsley as well to the red sauce. Another couple of minutes and these noodles will be ready. I'm going to go ahead and add the ground beef into the meat sauce. sauce is coming along nicely. We're going to drain our noodles. Generous spray of non-stick cooking oil. Then we're going to take one shell at a time, place it in the casserole dish, and take a small spoonful of our filling.
Put the inside.
Mama says, if you're making stuffed shells, make sure you put the stuffing on the inside. And continue to do so for all of your shells. Next thing we're going to do is place the sauce over the noodles. And spread it out like so. Our stuffed shells are in the oven baking just until the top is brown, and sometimes I broil it just for a few minutes at the end so I get that nice crispy cheese effect. And while that's going on, we're going to saute some basil and olive oil because it adds a nice touch to the dish once it's finished. Splash some olive oil, nice coating of olive oil on the bottom of the pan. Let that heat up. I'm just going to place the leaves in the olive oil. It's now pretty hot, and you'll know it's time to take them out when they start looking crispy. So it looks like they're getting pretty crispy. And I'm going to just transfer them onto the paper towel so that they can dry and cool. And then we'll place them on top of our pasta when it's done. Alright, here's our finished product. And now I'm going to go ahead and plate it up for you real nice. Alright guys, so here it is. Here is the stuffed shells with melted mozzarella cheese, meat sauce, and a nice basil leaf crisp on top. Hope you guys enjoy the recipe, and we'll see you next time.